Can we expect it to get faster and faster? Wow.
We've gone from 6 seconds an image to 60 images a second. And the quality has improved, and basically the next version is photorealistic.
So 60 images per second is like video.
Or should we kind of do hope? I think I'm going to focus on this. This is the most disruptive thing ever because, again, humans can scale, so you don't need as many humans. I think we always have to look at the unchanging versus the inevitable. So an inevitable is 41% of all code on GitHub right now is AI generated. So look, words go in, images come out.
Awesome.
Straight out. So again, we have to kind of think about this, and we have to think, but what can you do? Well, the answer is you can do anything now. Any of you can now be creative. Any of you can now build systems. And so you build the systems that adhere to the unchanging demands of people to make their lives better. And that's value, and they'll pay you for that value.
And all of a sudden, you're not restricted by what you learned in school. You can bring the best to anything you desire.
It's the best to anything done. You can control it. So you can just say, like, take something and change it to its original form.